Julius Sirvan of class 8 is going to represent my views on topic matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. It is called matter. Everything has a mass and occupies space. Matter is of three types: solid, liquid and gas. Solid have definite shape and definite volume, and it is not compressible due to it have longer intermolecular force of attraction and less intermolecular space, so they are not compressible. Liquids do not have definite shape and have definite volume, and they are not much more compressible than solids. Liquids have they do not have definite shape, neither they do not have definite volume. And they are highly compressible because intermolecular force of attraction is less and intermolecular space is high. Now further I will explain to you about their properties. This is solid, liquid and gas. When solid changes state to gas, it is called sublimation, and when gas changes state to solid, it is called deposition. And when solid changes its state to liquid, it is called melting, and when liquid changes its state to solid, it is called freezing. And when gas changes its position to liquid, it is called condensation, and when liquid changes its state to gas, it is called vaporization.